Here's the Renault Espace from 2010. It has this magnet here, you can rotate it, and it's for the phone. The phone has a plate under this cover. It's a metal plate, it's glued onto the plastic, and you just attach the phone there onto that magnet, like so. But how to attach a larger one, a tablet more exactly, that needs more magnets. Just one might not be a good idea. Something like that would be nice. So for that, here we have two more magnets. I have to attach these metal plates which have adhesive onto the back of this one. So remove the cover, and let's see, somewhere here would be nice in the center. So I would like to attach one somewhere here and another one, let's see, on the lower part. There's the plate, and this is the base, and that is the magnet. It's rotating like so. So remove this one. That one is sticky. It's sticky. Place it somewhere here. Let's check. It's mostly okay. The third one somewhere down. I'm not pressing it right now, just in case I have to remove it. There is more curved. Should it be down there or higher up there? Let's see if it's a good idea or not. Now let's remove from the metal plate the paper. Now this is sticky, and place that one there, something like that. Let's do the other also. And I have no third one. The third one is on the phone, so I have to get another metal plate. Currently I don't have one. Let's close the air because it's blowing warm air. Introduce the tablet there. So I need a third metal plate from somewhere. So currently I have just those two. And it's not too straight. The left side is taller. Why is that? This is smaller than that one. This is thicker. That is thinner there at the base. So this is taller. Now can I remove it and put it back? Yes, I can. So it's not that strong. Hope it won't fall off. Oops, it does fall off. So I should use double-sided sticky tape, so it's not holding well. These are okay, but this is at least 1 or 2 years old. Maybe that's why it's not sticking well. Yes, it's not sticky anymore. So here's a little bit of double-sided sticky tape, and let's remove first this one. It's metal under. It's not sticky at all. It's falling into pieces. So there's a screw under that. Now it's not easy to remove it nicely with a knife, but something like that. Now remove the green cover, and this side is not protected. There's no stickiness there. Small trash can somewhere there. don't have a metal. But it seems to be okay. Even without the third one, it still stays there. I should put this plate up there. Let's try that until I get the third plate. It's sticky. There, that's better. So without the third one, it can be lifted up easily, but it's not falling down. It holds it pretty well. So only two metals are holding it, and it's there. More brightness. The angle is not too good. This lower portion should be a little bit lower, but it's okay. So I just mounted a tablet, and it's removable, onto the dashboard of this Renault Espace. It's a Samsung Tab A from 2019 maybe. It's not too fast, it has only 2 gigabytes of memory, but for maps it should be okay. So here on this one, this is the rotation, so now it's logged, now it's unlocked, location is enabled.